This is the Farnborough International Airshow edition of the Rincon Aerocast. Welcome to sunny Farnborough. Great day here in London. You probably read about several of the big stories and news about the air show. I want to bring you a few stories that maybe you haven't read about. I want to talk about the impact I see in drones and artificial intelligence here at this year's air show. As I walked around the Paris Air Show last year, I saw drones everywhere, all sorts of drones. I see drone companies this year again at Farnborough, but it's different. I see a lot of drone companies, but the difference is maturity. I see drones able to accomplish real missions and make real money for their companies. Let's start with some of the larger players here like General Atomics. They've got a great presence here at the air show. They're demonstrating their leadership in advanced drones and artificial intelligence to control their drones. Sometimes when we think about drones, we think about smaller aircraft. This is a full-scale model of their Gambit. Shield AI is also here with their XBAT. It's a 45% scale model. As the graphic shows, their delivered vehicle will be roughly the same size as an F-35. The large players in this space are doing some incredible work, but I really want to focus on two small companies you've probably never heard of. The first company is Sol1, that's SOL.ONE. They're a Belgian company producing a whole family of combat drones. Their flagship product is the Saboteur UAS. It has a combat radius of 400 kilometers. It can carry a 70mm rocket or a smaller buzzkill attack drone. Sol1 doesn't just produce the drones, they deliver a whole family of systems needed to take this product to war. This includes a certified ground control station and a really innovative flight control computer they use across their whole family of products. They're already producing one Saboteur UAS a day, along with designing and producing other products. They're doing all this with a staff of 14 people. You heard that right, just 14 people. I really see Sol1 as a company to watch as they expand operations. The second product I'm really impressed with this year in Farnborough is Aladdin. A company spokesman called it a flying trash can, or as they like to say down under, where this product's produced, a flying rubbish can. Aladdin is the drone on top that you see in this video. It can deliver a 35-kilogram payload to a precise GPS position or even follow a GPS beacon and land on a moving vehicle. The even cooler part is they can be deployed out of the back of a C-130. It tumbles through the air as it's released and then uses its guidance and control system to right itself and fly to its designated location. The company is called Sovereign Propulsion Systems. It's another small drone company that I want you to watch out for. Now let's talk about artificial intelligence. I introduced the drones from General Atomics and Shield AI to start this podcast. Both of the companies are making extensive use of AI to operate their drones. It's interesting to me that companies will trust AI to fly an aircraft, but not so many companies will trust AI to design their aircraft. I talked to company after company, small company, medium-sized companies here at the air show this year about using AI to design and develop their products. Almost no one is. Almost no small, medium companies are. Some of the larger companies are beginning to use AI, but it's certainly not commonplace. As we talk about speed and agility and scaling the whole supply chain, especially for defense, new tools and new ways of doing things have never been more important. It will be interesting to see what it'll take for companies to design more of their products with AI and not just use AI to fly them. Of course, this is an air show. There have been some incredible flight demonstrations, so I'll leave you with a video of two of my favorites, the A350 and the F-35. Thank you for joining me for another edition of the Rincon Aerocast. I'm Todd, Managing Partner of Rincon Aerospace. We provide executive level consulting to help aerospace and defense companies win more business, design their products more efficiently, and deliver faster with a clear path to revenue. Find us online at rincon.aero. That's rincon.aero.